Hey guys, so it's Saturday morning, May 18th? May 18th. And it's partially cloudy. Still gonna take the F-Type R for a spin, probably go see a buddy of mine. Just wanna give you guys an update. We got the Brabus side steps installed. So, let me just show you guys. Open the door, obviously the side step comes out, and it's really a quality piece. I wouldn't expect anything less from Brabus. As you can see close up, it's got LED lights underneath each motor, or next to each motor, Brabus branding, and it's bolted up underneath here to the frame. So it's very solid. And with this small step, you do not have to buy the Brabus aftermarket exhaust. As you can see, the muffler gets in the way, so if you're doing a full-length side step, you have to replace the exhaust from that point on back. You know what, for the price of the side steps plus the price of the exhaust, it wasn't really worth it. These side steps already cost a lot of money. But if you're like my dad, who's in his 70s and you know, wants to get in and out easily, it's just a great product. Or you know, if you're bringing the wife out and she's wearing heels or whatever, and a dress, it obviously keeps her from making that giant leap into the truck. So, as you can see, guys, it's a dirty 4x4. So I'm gonna get it washed up, because we can't have dirty 4x4s on YouTube. It's unacceptable. And that's about it, guys. So just wanted to share this with you. Another thing, SVJ Roadster, so far the news I got from the dealer is the production is delayed. So I don't know when I'm gonna get the car. It was supposed to be a late August, late July, early August delivery, and who knows how many weeks it's gonna be pushed back. So beautiful side steps. I'd recommend them if you own a 4x4, and you know, if you're not super crazy about off-roading, you're really not losing that much ground clearance. If you see, close the door. So if you see, it's just a little bit lower than the exhaust. A couple inches lower than the exhaust is what you're losing in ground clearance. Now, I don't know anybody who's doing intense 4x off-roading with this truck. I just find it way too expensive to you know, put it into risky situations where you're getting that close to the exhaust or the underneath of the car. It's I think it's destined, just like the 6x6, to be something that's going to be on the streets in the city, and the occasional let's say gravel road. So guys, I'll get back to you soon. Take care.